Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to check out books from the Winter Haven Public Library so that your kids have ebooks or audiobooks to read or listen to. So on the Winter Haven Public Library's website, we're going to go there from Google Chrome. And so on the student login in Google Chrome, whenever they log in, there's going to be a stjosephwhschool.org bookmarks folder. And underneath there, I have put the link for the Winter Haven Public Library. And so when we click on that, it takes us to this main public library page. And as we scroll down, we can see the things that they are doing for the library for COVID-19 right now. It says they are actively purchasing additional materials, so there should be more things coming available. Canopy is also offering select movies for credit, and that's a free offer. And there's offers for language classes and video-based courses, all kinds of stuff on this page. But if we scroll down a little bit further, we see ebooks, audiobooks, and movies. And if we click on that link, it takes us straight to the Winter Haven Public Library's Overdrive page. And at the very top left, it says Subjects, Collections, Kindle eBooks, Kids or Teens. And underneath Collections, they also have the Kids or Teens over here. So you can find books for your children, or they can find books for themselves. If you do not have a library card, then right here where these little books are next to the sign-in, if we click there, it says need a library card, get one instantly. So we click there, and it tells us that it just takes a few seconds to sign up using your mobile number, and you can start borrowing free digital titles. So you don't have to go to the public library to get your card. You are just going to type in your mobile number right here, and it is going to text you a verification code. So I'm going to type in my number here and click send verification code. And then on my phone, I'm gonna wait till I get it here. And so I get a text message from the library. And as you can see, I have a text message right here. And so I'm going to type in that code, and then I'll click verify. Then it asks me to finish my verification. So I'm going to type in my information here. You can add in an email address right here as an option. And it says, please make sure you are 13 years or older. And so this will be your account as the parent. And you will click continue. And it says success. You can start borrowing free digital titles from this library. Whenever you come back to the digital collection, use your mobile number to sign in. Your instant digital card is temporary, but we suggest getting a full card from your library to access their physical collection and other resources. And so then we can click browse the collection, and it takes us back to this main page here. And when we click on kids, we can see they have a collection again. We have Kindle books right here that can be added to your Kindle Cloud Reader or to a Kindle app on any device. And then down below, we see the books that are available. New books that they've just gotten, popular series. And as we go down, there's read-alongs, books for kids who are starting to read, so our primary kids, and then best books of 2019. If you are wanting an ebook, then right below the book, you will see that it is an ebook. If you are wanting an audiobook, you will see audiobook listed below. And underneath collections, you can see those right here. So under ebooks, if I go to see all, then these are all of the ebooks that they have for kids. You'll notice it stayed right in the kids area. And if I want audiobooks, then I click see all, and notice I'm still in the kids area. So these are all of the kid audiobooks. And if I wanted to go back and go to teens, I can click teens right here. And right now I have ebooks up here, or I can go to see all and get the audiobooks. So I've gone back to the kids page here, and I'm going to show you how you will click on a book to check it out. So this audiobook right here, Charlie Snow Day. So I'm going to click on the book, and it says I can borrow it or I can listen to a sample of the book. You can also add it to a wish list, so you and your child could go through and create a wish list of books that they would like to read. And then I'm going to click borrow, and it tells me I get to borrow this book for 14 days, or I can choose 7 days from that drop down menu. And I'm going to click borrow, and I can click listen now in browser. So I'm going to go to listen now in my browser, and you'll notice it just opens up right here, and I can click play and listen to the book.
Welcome.
You can also download their apps that they have available for downloading these to your devices. So if you download the Libby app, that's Libby, and it's Libby by Overdrive, and the app has this little person on it here, and you can download it from the App Store or from Google Play, and it will connect to your public library card so that you can access the books here and listen to them on an iPad or an Android device or an iPhone. So I hope this has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at spearce@stjosephwhschool.org or Mrs. Neal at sneal@stjosephwhschool.org. Thank you for your time.